Morning, everyone. A very warm good morning to all your students. And once again, you all welcome back in this video. And children, this is your first video of this week. So, children, today in this video I'm going to start you the new chapter. Chapter is here 28, and the name of this chapter is here tools we use. Yes, children, you all know, children, tools make our work make our work easy. We use tools every day, and also, children, we should never play with tools because you can get hurt. So, children, you should never play. And you also know, children, we use different tools in different work. Yes, okay. And now, children, so name of the chapter is here 28, and in this chapter, children, today you all are going to learn about the different types of tools, okay, in different work. So, children, but before starting this topic, children, as you know, children, many year ago, yes, many year ago human lived what ago and many years ago, children, human lived in the jungle. Yes, they live in the forest, were afraid of bigger and stronger wild animals. So in that time, children, that they use sharp edges objects, sharp edges stones. They use sharp edges stones stones to kill animals. They use the sharp edges stones to kill the animals in, okay. And these tools improved with time with their time and their requirement. They made spears, hammer, and axe heads. Gradually they started making tools with bones. Yes, they have started making tool with bones. They were used not only for hunting but also for cutting, digging, and swing. Okay, children, so they are not only for hunting, they are not used for only hunting. They use in different field. They are using for cutting, digging, or swing. Okay, children, so now after, children, you just start this chapter. Like, first, which means in this chapter you all will know about the tools, and the first tool is here scissor. Yes, scissor. Spelling of scissor is here SCISSOR, scissor. Scissors are used for cutting various their materials such as paper, cardboard, cloth, metal foil, rape, and wire. And a large variety of scissors and spares all exist for specialized purposes. Okay, children, so this is the picture of scissor. Spelling of scissor SCISSOR, scissor. Okay, now after that, this is the picture of knife. Spelling of knife, children, KNIFE, knife. KNIFE. Knives are most important tools in a chef kit, and they can be used for just about any food pre-task, from chopping fruits and vegetables. There are different types. So there are different types of types of knives, of kitchen knives, that are designed for various purpose. So this is the picture of knife. Now after that, screwdriver. SCREW, screw, DRIVER, driver. Screwdriver tools, hand operated, for turning screws with slotted head, for screws with one slotted heads, for screw with one straight diametral slot and cut across the heads. Standard screwdrivers with flat blade tips and also in variety of sizes are used. Now after that, hammer. Spelling of hammer is here HAMMER, hammer. Hammer are used for general carpentry, framing, nail pulling, bending or shaping, and steel crystal to and hammers are designed according to the intended purpose. Okay children, now intended purpose. Now after that is there handsaw. Spelling of handsaw is there handsaw saw. Handsaw are used in working. Okay, and carpenting, it is also known as panel saws, are used to cut pieces of wood into different shapes. Okay, they are used to cut the pieces of woods in different shape. This is usually done in order to join the pieces together and curve a wooden object. Okay children, so this is the picture of handsaw. Now after that, sickle. A sickle bagging hook or reaping hook is a single-handed agriculture tool designed with a various curved blades and typically used for harvesting or reaping grain crops. Okay children, now so this is the picture of sickle, sickle, sickle. Then after is here what? Axe. Spelling of axe axe. Axe is an agriculture tools used for mainly for shaping, splitting and cutting of woods. The implement also has specialized uses and various forms. It generally has a handle and an axe head. Okay, so this is the picture of axe. Now after that, spade. Spade, spade. Spades are the digging tools in gardening, as a spade is a hand tools used to dig or dig in the ground or worn with lumps. Okay children, now in the soil together with the foil, it forms of the chief implement while by the hand is agriculture and hand is agriculture. Also it is sometimes what considered a type of what spade. Now after that, pliers, pliers, pliers. And children, pliers are made pliers are made in various shapes and sizes and for many uses. Okay, so this is the picture of pliers, pliers, pliers. Now after that, needle, needle, needle and pins as well as safety pins are mostly used to faster clothes or papers. A needle is a type of pin that is generally used for stitching sewing machines. Needles are bigger compared to the ones we use to sew cloths by hand. So children, these are the various uses of tools. Now children, after that children, you all will do the work and exercises. That what you have to do, what, write the name. You all have to write the name of the object, okay, used by the following helpers. You all know children, helpers, they help our work, they help us in every work. So they have, or they we should also know about their equipment, okay, because they also use some tools. Like teacher, I am your teacher and now I am teaching you. Whenever I am at school, I teach you on the board. And for writing the board, what do we use? What do I use children? I use marker or chalk. So teacher, what will you write? Marker, marker, marker. Tailor, tailor is there. Tailor, needle or thread. Needle, needle or thread. 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 Doctor, stethoscope. Spelling of stethoscope children, stethoscope. Stethoscope. Doctor, they use stethoscope. Stethoscope is used by the doctor. Okay children. Doctor use stethoscope to internal organs such as lungs, heart, and bowel sounds, and it is also used to what check blood pressure. So the stethoscope is used by the doctor. Now after that, barber use scissor and comb. SCISSOR, scissor, and COMB, comb. Scissor, a comb. And also children, scissor, what straight bladed scissors can be used to trim their what hairs, braid, and the okay children. So barber, 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 what scissor and comb is used by the barber. Now after that, carpenter, CARPENTER, carpenter is a hands known as the panel saw, are used to cut pieces of wood done into different shape. Okay children, so this is the picture of saw, SAW, saw. Now cobbler, tack puller, or prying tools. The tack puller or prying tools is used by the cobbler. It made our shoes by the help of tack puller or prying tools. Now greengrocer, GREEN, green, GROCER, greengrocer. What balance is used by the greengrocer? They measure what weight of fruits or vegetables. So this is the picture of balance, BALANCE, balance. Now painter is what paint and brush is used by the painter, 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 and used by the used by the board or marker at home. So now after that children, so children, these are the work that you all have to do. It means today you all are going to do this chapter 28, and also some work that it has given in your copy work. You all have to write and try to learn with their answer I have given children. So first try to do yourself, and if you will not know, you can ask in online class. Okay children, and also try to do at home. So for today, in this video, at last I would like to say you thank you and have a wonderful day.